Let's talk about design templates. Sometimes when you create a new page in your Cadence OrCAD software and you're using Capture to right-click, choose New Page, you name it a page, it might have strange settings. Or it might have the settings you need or not the settings you exactly want. How do you change this? What if I want to make the text larger for this A and B and change the grid? Well, I would go to the options and choose Design Template. I can choose a title block, the page size, the default values for my grid reference, if I want my grid to be 0.1 inches for each of my dots. So how do we change these? First, I would go to my grid reference, and let's say I want my grid reference to be on a horizontal grid, but I want my counts to be 10 numbers instead of 5. So this is how I would change it, change that to 10. That refers to the top area from 1 through 5. So I'll hit Tab. And then for my vertical, I may want this to be a count of 8 instead of just 4. And then I may want my grid reference, like the width of the borders, to be maybe 0.2 inches instead of 0.1 inches. I'll go ahead and click OK. Once your settings have been chosen, go to File, New Project, and then you can set a new project. Let's say Template, Test. You can put this in any location. I put this in a project called Template Test. Click OK. And let's see what happens with our new design. Voila! Your new project, which has a new design, has the changed or updated grid for you to work with. This is how you update your design template. In case you ever have issues with this on your design, then you know you need to go into your options, design template, change it, make a new project, and design.